On the set, geometry problems often hide a secret right triangle. We are told a rectangle is inscribed in a circle with a radius of 5 square root of 5 and a length to width ratio of 2 to 1. Our goal, find the area. Let's define our width as x, which means our length, being twice that size, is 2x. Here is the key. In an inscribed rectangle, the diagonal is always the diameter of the circle. Since our radius is 5 square root of 5, we double it to get the diameter and a diagonal of 10 square root of 5. Now we have all three sides of that triangle. Now we can use Pythagorean Theorem to solve for x. A square plus b square equals c square. Substitute our values. We get x square plus 2x square equals our diagonal 10 square root of 5 squared. Simplify that gives us 5x square equals 500. Divide by 5 and we see that x square is 100, meaning x, our width, is 10. But remember, the set asks for the area. Area is length times width, or x times 2x, which gives us the final area of 200. Choice C is our answer. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe so you do not miss the daily SAT challenge video.